Lots of animals here. Giraffe, zebras, African elephant. You know which one is the boy and which one is the girls for the zebras. It's easy. Black with white is the boy and white with black is the girl. Now on the left, this is the second most being elephant in our jungle. His mother-in-law. And oh, hi Dougie. Okay, now we are going to those.
เฮ้ยตัวอะไรอ่ะมึง
They are very funny. You can see someone climbing up the trees. They were my passengers before. But they dropped into the water. Some argue to the right. Don't worry, I will call a rescue team for that. Sir, a rescue team over here after 2 days. So I wish you good luck. What's next? Ruin skills. What a creepy place. So this must be a headhunter territory. Okay? Try to protect yourself, my friend. Oh no, we're under attack. Wow, that was so close, but I'm fine. My head's still here. Everybody, anybody are you okay?
Okay.
Very nice. So, now it's time to go back to the dock. Easy, there's nothing happened here. I'll go straight ahead. Just remember remain your seat and we'll be fine. Alright, well today we'll have a very nice weather, good for sightseeing, good for adventure. What's that in front of us? Civilization. And before we go back, don't forget to say goodbye to baby elephant. It's on your left. Yeah. Bye. Picture time. Okay, take your time. And after we take an over picture, please remain your seat and keep your hands, your arms and elbows inside the boat. Watch out so great area. Sorry, I'm not going to the back, sir. Your elbows stay inside the boat too. That's great. Thank you. Yes, now we're slowly going back to the dock. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you. And if you do enjoy the trip, please remember I'm your skipper Sandy. But if you don't, just forget about that. Okay, you'll never come here, okay? Forget everything about this trip. Now just wait until the boat stops completely. And once my boat stops, take all your belongings, use the exit to leave. Don't close those windows, okay?